Alright guys, got a real special treat for you guys today. This is something I have been working on for a few months, probably about 6 or 7 months, getting all the parts up, getting everything going. This was meant to be just a shelf queen, to display on the shelf, kind of, just to kind of show people what was possible, kind of goof off. Closer I got to getting done with it, I realized I would actually like to take it out and drive it one time, but I live right on the beach, and there's just no roads here that are good for this thing at all. It's just too sandy. The roads stay covered in sand and salt and everything else. So this thing would be not getting no traction at all. But what we got here is a dual motor setup on an Arrma Limitless. This has been crazy fun to build. Not that crazy fun to get everything working right, though it really wasn't as hard as what I thought it would be. Honestly, the hardest part was the getting the servo mounted. This is actually, I believe, an Outcast or a Creighton. I forget. This is off another Arrma. Because, you know, these things come with like a one-piece plastic thing right here for the electrics box, servo, stuff like that. So all that's got to go. This would be the spare motor, or the extra motor rather. And then I got another mount from off another Arrma, and actually had to tap in under the chassis and countersink the screws. You can see those two screws right there. You can just kind of see where some of where the black's not, where it wasn't coated after the drilling. And the receiver fell out. Tells you how far along that is. But, yeah. So this thing has been crazy fun to build. Oh, see, pushed that too far. I had to kind of make all this. I'm still not that happy with it. But the servo's got so much torque, it should be fine. Servo is a Protek 170 TBL. If I'm not mistaken, those are like $160, $170 servos. Way, way, way more than what this thing should ever need. It is running off of 12S. Each system is 6S. And both systems are powering the wheels together. And but yeah, guys, this thing is crazy, crazy, crazy. But just to hear it start up is it really screams. Just even just sitting here. In fact, I blew this tire out already. Just having it on the workbench. So, but yeah, wasn't that hard. Wasn't as near as hard as what I thought. It's just a matter of getting all the pieces up. Change the center brace so you got something to mount the ESCs on. And then you have to get of course, the dual motor bracket, which isn't that all that stuff's easy to find on eBay. So is the extra servo mount. So there's nothing here that's easy. I mean, that's hard to get. Just got to get a. This is actually the same system that comes in the felony and the infraction. Just got to buy 2 of them. Honestly, I forget what those cost out the box for the ESC and the servos. But, yeah, guys. But that is, you can see there's 2 6S 7,000 milliamp batteries. But next video I get this thing, I at least want to get it started on the bench. Let you guys hear it. But actually, tell you what, why don't we do that right now? I'll go and hook this servo up, so there's no point. Always remember, the exposed pins count up on your receiver. So see how the exposed pins are pointing up. I did have this built a different way. When I got it, I actually had both ESCs wired into this because I was using a 7PXR transmitter. so I could actually program both of the ESCs, because there's a dual ESC mode on there, but realized that that was going to be just an absolute nightmare. So went and just put them into one on here. You have to cut the power wire off of one of these ESCs, though. Do not put both the ESCs into your receiver with both of them having a power wire. Let's see. Still trying to figure out how to use all this. I think that's the Limitless, yeah. That good old Arrma Spark. 2 times. And you can even tell, you know that famous Arrma click and clatter? This thing does it twice as bad. Alright, let's get them started up. Yeah, guys, that is not a lot of throttle. If I can get the glare off this screen so you can see how much throttle I'm giving. What you're looking at, you're looking for channel 2, and look at the input signal versus this thing going. I actually don't want to give it too much throttle because I don't want to mess up this white banner. But yeah, guys, this thing has been a blast. Can't wait to get it out there. Also kind of terrified of it, but we'll see what happens. Appreciate it, guys.